Invoice capture for Sage, Xero and SAP Business One. Paperless invoice capture for Sage, Xero and SAP Business One is powered by PaperLess Software, which, besides OCR technology, also offers online invoice approval, automatic matching and closing of purchase orders, and automatic invoice archiving for Sage, Xero and SAP Business One. In order to get all your invoice data captured, all you need to do is to bring in your invoices into Paperless and apply the corresponding journal type. In this case, we will be applying the journal type Purchase Invoice, but as you can see, Paperless supports many other different types of transactions. Then all you need to do is to run Paperless Invoice Recognition. Paperless is now automatically capturing all relevant invoice data like invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, and at the same time it is cross-referencing that information with the supplier default settings in the accounting software. This way, Paperless can automatically populate both the accounting data it captures from the invoice, but also other relevant accounting data such as nominal codes, tax codes, currency, exchange rates, and payment terms. Furthermore, Paperless also caters for departments, projects, cost codes, and funds. So if any of that information is on the invoice, Paperless Invoice Recognition can capture it and populate it on the relevant accounting lines. Paperless has now finished running automatic invoice recognition, and as you can see, it only took a few seconds for Paperless to capture all relevant accounting data. In this example, we have a mix of invoices where on some of them we only require the totals to be posted, and on others we need to have Paperless reading all those invoices on a line-per-line basis. The good news is that Paperless caters for both. On this second example, you can see that we have an invoice where Paperless automatically captured the invoice data on a line-per-line basis. This means that instead of having to be manually splitting the invoices, Paperless can do that for you in a fully automatic manner, as exemplified here. We can also see that there is a note on one of the invoices, and if we click on it, we can see that Paperless is telling us that this is a duplicate invoice. Yes, Paperless also includes automatic detection of duplicate invoices so that you do not risk posting duplicates into your accounting system. In this case, the accounts person just needs to delete this invoice and review the accounting data on the remaining ones. With all data reviewed, all that is left is to post the transactions. For that, just select the invoices you want to post and click on the option to post transactions. Posting happens in just a few seconds. The transactions have now been posted, and if we want to view them, all we need to do is to go into Sage, Xero or SAP Business One, and as you can see, not only the transaction was posted, but Paperless also automatically linked the invoice to the corresponding transaction. To retrieve the invoice, just do a live lookup from within Sage, Xero or SAP Business One, and as you can see, directly from within the accounting software, you have access to the invoice. This way, with Paperless, no more time needs to be spent on manually keying in invoice data or on manually archiving and retrieving invoices. These are just a few of the many reasons why thousands of accounts professionals using Sage, Xero or SAP Business One use Paperless on a daily basis to speed up invoice capture and processing routines. Visit www.paperlesseurope.com to learn more about the best invoice data capture for Sage, Xero and SAP Business One and book your free online demo.